Hey guys, I am back with another cooking video, and today I am making taco soup. I'm going to start off with cooking my hamburger meat, and I like to season it a little before and after it's cooked. But please, I messed up in the beginning. I should have seasoned it in a bowl first and then threw it in a pan to make it easier on myself. So while that's cooking, I'm going to throw everything in my crock pot so it can be warming up. I put 1 can of corn, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and I put some onions and garlic in there as well. Now I'm going to add my seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, and my taco soup seasoning. Now back to my meat. I already drained my meat off and I put it back in the pan because I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning to it before I put it in my crock pot. After I season my meat to my liking, I'm just going to add it to the crock pot. After you added everything to your crock pot, you just let it cook for a couple of hours and you're ready to eat. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.